pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very, very good AI application here. And as you can see, a lot of templates which you can use, and a lot of popular templates on this AI application which you can use as well. You have the Christmas section, you have the merry moments, you have a lot of them. You have the backstage, like the trend. This one is very trending on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. You have the TV series one as well. You have a lot of them which you can choose from. But do keep in mind, guys, this is not free. You don't have any free option where you can use all of these. You pretty much will need a subscription before using any of these templates. So please keep that in mind. And as well, you do have the AI Studio, which you can go ahead and generate your own videos. As you can see here, just enter your prompt and pretty much select. You can upload your image as reference if you want. And as you can see down here, you have different options if you want to generate a photo. And as well, you can upload or describe your photo and add reference as you release to your photo as well. And also, if you want to edit something in that photo, you can upload your photo and so forth. And as well down here, you can select your aspect ratio, as you can see here. So do keep in mind to remember to select the option down here, whether you want to generate an image, a photo, an AI photo, or a video. So this option here is very important as it relates to you generating a video or a photo. So that's really pretty much it for this here. And the creation section, you pretty much see all the images and videos generated from this application here will be in this section. And in the settings option, nothing much. You have the upgrade or the subscription. This is pretty much important because if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to use the application at all. So this is pretty much where you're going to get your subscription. As you can see here, you'll be getting 8,000 credits to be weekly to use, and as you can see, this is for annual subscription. For your weekly subscription, you'll be getting 4,000 credits. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.